So next is case 2 is when our Hofmann product is major is when leaving group is fluoride. Means if we have a alkyl halide, instead of chlorine, now it's fluorine. Okay, let's consider this. And whatever may be the base, if it is a smaller also, let's say alcoholic KOH you are using, then you are going to have this as the major product and other alkene as the minor product. This is minor and this is major. Question is why? Why it is happening so? See, this mechanism, this is secondary alkyl halide, it will go via E2 mechanism. E2 mechanism is a reaction where it takes in a one step. Let's say this is a hydrogen, this is CH2, this is CH3, this is fluorine, and here is the CH3. So here this is the hydrogen which I am showing, and this is the OH minus which is abstracting a bond from here, right? So there is a partial negative charge which will be formed over here. It is abstracting this partially, right? So, and this bond and the fluorine is not a very good leaving group. It won't leave because of the bond length. Fluorine is small atom, right? So bond length is very, very small. So it is not able to leave this very easily, and top of that it is highly electronegative. So what happens over here, there is a negative charge, it is through the inductive effect, it is pulling the electron and this negative charge is stabilized. What is the other possibility? Other possibility is this. This is fluorine, this is CH, and this is a hydrogen, this is CH3, and this is my OH minus, which is slightly forming a new bond, and it is going to develop a partial negative charge because this will be going as a H plus, no? So here there is a partial negative charge, and here also there is a partial negative charge. If I ask you, based on the inductive effect or based on the electron displacement effect, which is more stable? A common thing between both these is that after second carbon there is a fluorine, after second carbon there is a fluorine. But what is not there is that this is already negative and this is the alkyl group which is making it more negative. Means this negative charge is less stable, this negative charge is comparatively more stable than this. So this is the mechanism which is going to be followed, right? Because here at least there is no one to donate this. There is no alkyl group connected. So this negative charge is more stable. So your major product will be this. That is a Hofmann product. Hofmann product is major, and this is Saidzef product.